Are things in your life starting to feel sleepy or dull? Break free from the stalemate with this red quartz guided meditation to reignite the passion and fire in your soul. To prepare for the meditation, gather all of your red quartz crystals, whether they are fire quartz, red hematite quartz, strawberry quartz, or hematoid quartz. Gather them up and place them around your area. Have at least one or two to hold during the meditation, and wear your red quartz jewelry. Find a comfortable and quiet place and cleanse the space with sage, incense, or candlelight. Have a glass of water and a set of Moki marbles or your favorite earth grounding stones for after the meditation. You are ready to rocket your potential to new heights. You're ready to ignite the passion that is buried under a pile of worry and discouragement. But before you awaken your inner flame, you need to enter a state of deep relaxation. Do this by closing your eyes and inhaling and exhaling deeply 3 times. Each time you exhale, say the word relax to yourself. Feel your physical body comply and your mental state slow. After the 3 deep breaths, continue to comfortably breathe in and out, letting your body relax and the tension flow out to the ground. The singing bowl indicates your time to pause and meditate for as long as you desire. As your mental train of thoughts begin to slow, you may notice lingering anxiety. Imagine the red quartz crystal in your hand heating up. As it becomes hot, the anxious thoughts begin to burn away. They keep burning until they are completely vaporized. All that is left is steamy, hot serenity. You feel as though you are sitting in a comfortable sauna. In this perfectly heated sauna of your mind, your physical body continues to loosen. Your jaw unclenches. Your face falls gracefully, and your shoulders drop towards the floor. You feel your belly relax and release any pent-up tension. All of your limbs feel lighter. Eventually, your physical body disappears into the hot, steamy air. You are now completely relaxed in this comfortable sauna of your mind. If it's too hot or too cold, just imagine yourself stepping to the thermostat and adjusting the temperature to your liking. You are here because you are ready to reignite your passion. One or more parts of your life feels like it's at a standstill. Search deep in your mind to pick the most pressing and important issue that you want to deal with today. Perhaps it's a dead-end job that you want to leave, but haven't had the courage to do so. Maybe it's a relationship that is getting unbearably dull, and your passions need to be sparked. It could be that your bank account needs a major boost, but it isn't moving, or is moving in the wrong direction. For you, the priority might even be that your spiritual evolution feels stuck. Whatever the most pressing issue is, bring it to the forefront of your mind now. The issue that you have chosen to activate is now in full focus. You know what you want, but you haven't been able to achieve your goal. That is so frustrating. But that is in the past. The red quartz crystal in your hand is the exact tool you need to help you overcome the hurdles that have kept your progress blocked. Now turn your attention to your red quartz crystal. It holds fire element deep within its natural structure. Fire element is one of fury, passion, action, and drive. When you gain fire element, you are motivated to act in ways that will ensure that you reach your goals. You are currently missing that fire element that you need to activate that one aspect of your life, and now is the time to fix it. Begin by imagining that your crystal is heating up again. Imagine flames of fire within the stone. Your crystal becomes comfortably warm in your hand. And that warm sensation travels into your hands and starts to spread throughout your body. Feel your body warm up to the perfect temperature. Next, you are going to turn up the heat. This may sound uncomfortable, but it's not. Because you are going to become fire itself. A fire is burning hot, but it's comfortable in its own heat because that is its natural element. Similarly, you are going to set your soul ablaze and feel great about it. Now turn up your internal dial and become one with the fire element. It has been inside of you all of this time, just waiting to be relit. You become so hot that your entire essence is a ball of blazing red light. Feel the passion and strength burn within you. You can do anything. You are now a complete glowing ball of fire. In this empowered state, think again of that goal that remains unachieved. Whatever it is, you now have the strength to tackle your goal with full force. Channel this fire into productive and positive energy that will lead you to appropriate actions to reach your goal. Take this time to imagine yourself bravely burning down the hurdles that once stifled your success. Visualize yourself confidently achieving your dreams. What actions will you take? What challenges will you face along the way? Think about it and know that your fire element is with you. With this reignited passion, you can easily handle the hurdles and rocket towards your goal. You are all fueled up and ready to go. You've learned that fire is self-created. No one else can hand it to you. You have all the motivation you ever needed stored deep within the seed of your soul. The flames may feel extinguished, but they never are. You can always reignite and retain this motivated feeling. You now feel a burst of energy. You're ready to go about your business on earth with a renewed sense of inspiration and hope. Anytime you want to tap into the fire element, take hold of your red quartz crystal and feel it burn with passion and motivation. You have rocketed to a place of total power. You are ready to take this energy with you to the physical realm. Remember, fire is all around you, in the center of the earth, blazing across the sun, and bursting from your red quartz crystal. Tap into this raw energy anytime you need a boost. You are now ready to emerge from this meditation with passion and gusto. Those goals that seem so distant are now within arm's reach. Everything is fixable when you have the right mindset. You are going to awaken with a count from 1 to 5, beginning with 1. Breathe in and out. Feel your fire force balancing with all the other elements in your body. 2. Rub the red quartz crystal in your hand, knowing that it will give you energy whenever you need it. 3. Wiggle your fingers and your toes as you realign back to the room. 4. Hear the sounds around you. Smell the air. 5. Open your eyes and feel strong and inspired. After the meditation, you may feel like you're in an altered state of mind. This is because your frequency has been enhanced to a higher level than normal. Allow yourself time to enjoy this natural high. Hold on to your Moki marble stones and drink your glass of water to reintegrate back to the physical world. If you enjoyed this red quartz meditation, join us at Satin Crystals for additional guided meditations, monthly crystal horoscopes, positive affirmations, and a whole collection of natural healing stones. While you're there, join the Satin Crystals VIP Club for members-only specials throughout the year. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you metaphysical videos and information. As always, thank you for your positive presence here, and thank you for spreading your light into our world.